Wait.
In, where are we?
The Beverly Connection in West Hollywood.
I'm tired, but we're having a really good day. It's my first day in LA, and Selena is showing me all the amazing places. My arm hurts, so I'm gonna just keep walking. Let's walk, girl.
Discounts.
Okay, so me and Selena just got dinner and at this place, and this is the most realistic chicken I've ever experienced. It's crazy. Crazy girl coming out of Doomy's home cooking vegan and vegetarian restaurant.
I feel alive, I feel free,
I feel alive. We're reviewing Doomy's home cooking. We're saying that it's good.
Given 4.6 stars on Google, and I think if it had the same atmosphere, decor, and I don't know, I guess we went to M Cafe Chaya.
Is that what that was called?
On
Yeah.
Melrose, and it was just a lot cleaner and a lot more modern, wasn't it?
Yeah.
And this is very home cooking. Like,
real home cooking. I need to know how they made that chicken. It had skin. Selena had skin. The vegan chicken had skin.
it wasn't skin, it was batter.
No, underneath it had skin.
Really?
Yeah.
I didn't see that part.
Underneath it is like a layer of like skin.
Google it. How do you make
that is the question of the day. How do you make vegan chicken with the skin?